Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Technical Shari, and this is me Shari, and in this video we are going to perform how to find construction accidental lawyer in New York. So basically in search bar we have to search here New York construction accidental lawyer. Basically this is the video for the purposes of the labor who are working on the construction site. So we have to open this website, New York Construction Accidental Lawyer. Construction workers face challenges and dangerous working conditions. It's no wonder it is one of the top 5 industries with the highest injury rates. If you have been injured while on the job at a construction site, it's time to contact a New York construction accidental lawyer. Construction accidents are often complex and difficult to navigate, which is where an experienced attorney can help. The Winston Group Law Group P LLC has over 30 years of experience in representing victims of New York construction accident. Contact us today at 718-587-0944 to schedule your risk-free evaluation. So if you want your free case evaluation, you can write your message here. What is your scenario, in which condition you are going to hurt on the construction site. So main questions are there: can I switch lawyers between the proceedings? So you have to click on this website. How to change your lawyer? What if your lawyer is not good? If you feel at any time of your proceeding that your lawyer is not good in your proceeding, in an ideal world, the first lawyer you hire will work hard for you and give you their full attention. Unfortunately, we don't live in an ideal world. At the Winston Law Group PLC, we get calls all the time from people who are frustrated with their current lawyers and are thinking about switching. This process is much easier than it sounds. There are many reasons you may be unhappy with your current lawyer. Yeah, that attorney is rude, that must be the reason. They talk down to you. You can never get a hold of them on the phone. You always end up talking to their paralegal and never the attorney. You get a different lawyer every time you call. They try to sell you on more services you don't actually need it. Maybe I think this is the basic purpose to change a lawyer. When we go to the different lawyer companies, yeah, they will tell you the different issues, but not on your current issue. They try to sell you on your more services you don't actually need. They don't keep you informed about your case. They don't listen to your input on how you want the case to go. Any of these sound familiar to you? If so, it is important to remember that your lawyer is your employee and you can fire them anytime you want. You are not stuck with a bad attorney just because you signed a contract. If your lawyer has shown their true colors and is not making your injury a priority, it's time to clean house. So there is no penalty for switching. You have the right to change lawyers at any time and for any reason. Changing lawyers can seem like a daunting proposition, but it happens all the time. There are two important things you need to know about changing lawyer. Changing lawyer does not cost you more money. Presumably, when you hired your first lawyer, you signed a contingency agreement. This agreement states that your lawyer gets one third of your verdict or settlement, if any. When you change lawyers, your new lawyer and your old one will share this fee. The total amount you pay is exactly the same. The two lawyers split in according to how much work each did. Changing lawyers will not set back your case. Switching lawyer does not harm or affect your case. In fact, if you switch to someone who works harder for you, it may actually help your case. Your old lawyer is the required by law and best practice to turn over all records. Your new lawyers can pick up exactly where the old one left you. You'll lose nothing. In any easy process, changing lawyer is as simple as sending a letter called a stop work letter. It is nothing more than a two-line letter to the old lawyer saying, I have changed lawyers, I have hired this new person and stop working on my case and send all of the paperwork to the new lawyers. To the new lawyers, your new lawyers can send their this for you and you never have to confront your old lawyers or talk to them over again. The new lawyer will also send a consent to change attorney form which you sign to prove to your old lawyers that you have made the change. The old lawyer signs to prove they received the form before it is filled with the court. Making the right choice. Above all else, you need a lawyer can trust sooner or later. Your lawyer may th- thorough recommendation make a tough recommendation such as accepting or declining a settlement. You should trust that your lawyer advice is being given with your best interest in mind. If you are fed up with your current lawyer, talk to Steve Weinstein about your options. He will give you a free consultation exactly as we would with a brand new case. Even if you decide to stick with your current lawyer, this is your chance to see your for self if the switch is worth it. Contact us for your free consultation today before you pay another penny to someone who is not looking for you. So there are the contact number for the Hanston Woolston group. There is her email, their physical address, and everything you need. They are here. So why you have to choose us, the Winston Law Group PLLC? What makes us different from others? Afterward, the client told me no lawyer ever sat down with me and explained my case the way you did. I feel comfortable with you. There is nothing more important to your case than having a lawyer you can trust and who you are 100% sure has your best interest at heart. Sadly, not all lawyers treat their cases this seriously and not all treat their clients as well. Clients come first. Customer satisfaction is our first priority. Recently, Steve was out at lunch when his phone rang. It was a gentleman who had been in a car accident and was severely injured. He wanted to speak to a lawyer, but he could not even get out of the house. Without hesitation, Steven sent a driver to his house to pick him up and take him to the appointment and back home. This is a normal part of business at Winston. We put our client first because we know it is essential to developing the lawyer-client relationship that establishes trust. When we make a recommendation like taking a settlement offer, we want the client to understand exactly why we are making that recommendation. We explain everything in plain English and make sure you understand the strategy behind it. Because you are fully informed, the decision you make about your case are meaningful, you are in control. So we can end this video here. Hopefully you will understand my points that how you can choose a lawyer and how can you change your lawyer between the proceedings. So we will end this video here. We can meet in the next video again. So till then, goodbye.